me, but every time he do, I jump over them and I keep them. Is there anybody that's just about sick and tired of the enemy? Just about sick and tired. You just about sick and tired of foolishness. You just about sick and tired of everything he's trying to do. I feel an anointing of a breakthrough in the house. I feel it. Hallelujah. My God. I'm going to share this testimony. I'm going to give you the word of God. God is a good God. We were in church this morning, and as we gathered after service, the saints of God just began to fellowship in the church. I was sitting in the lobby of the church on a pew, and our car alarm kept going off. And you know, I didn't get a revelation, so I sat up here. Someone say alarm. Alarm. You know, I bless God because of the Holy Ghost. He connects all pieces. And someone say alarm. Alarm. So the car alarm is going off, and I go and I look, and the car alarm is ringing, and I don't see anyone there. I don't see anyone trying to break in. I don't see any trouble, but the car alarm keeps going off. Someone say alarm. Alarm. Hallelujah. So after a while, I kept saying, I wonder, where is the bishop? Where's the bishop? And I said, well, maybe he's upstairs, and maybe this, and maybe that. And people said, well, I saw him go that way, then I saw him go this way. And after a while, the Lord said to me, he said, get up. And look at this, y'all. I